Hello everyone, this is my review of the Ryobi Airstrike Lithium Ion brad nailer. This gun is cordless. It uses battery, 40 volt or 18 volt battery that you just slap in the back. So you don't have to worry about dragging a cord around or refilling gas or using an air hose. You load the nails down here on this area here. Pull this back. This is where you load the nails in. So you get a cartridge of nails loaded in there. It has a powerful strikes. It strike the nail down flush, or you can adjust it if you don't need it to be flush. It has a safety feature on it, so if you don't have nails loaded in there, it will not operate, and the lights on the bottom will come on to let you know that you're around nails. Let me see if I can demonstrate that for you now. As you can see, I don't have any nails loaded in there right now. I do have the battery in, but you see the light is on there, so it will not fire or strike. I like this tool. It's good for building decks and any other projects you have outside. I hope this review helps.